This is the month box date formatting template at SharePoint-dashboards.com. This template will take a date field in SharePoint and reformat that to show you a month view of that date with that date highlighted. This template does require that you add a calculated field, and it's pretty easy to do that. We'll walk through that right now. So to begin, you should copy and paste the code provided in the notes section in the lower left corner. So simply copy that to your clipboard, and then you can go to SharePoint, and we need to begin by creating the calculated field for that. Do make note of your date column, which you are going to use as the reference to show this month calendar box. So I have a date field in my case which is called Start. Go to the gear icon in the upper right, click on List Settings, and then we want to create column. And you may call this what you want. I'm going to call my column Month. Then select Calculated, and then you can paste in your code. And I'm going to move that out so I can see it a little bit better, and then let me zoom in a little bit to make it easier to read. Okay, so everywhere you see date field in square brackets, that needs to be replaced with the name of your column. So in my case it's called Start, so I'm simply going to paste in and replace those values, working my way through the code and getting rid of the date field text. Be sure to work carefully. You'll break your formula if you accidentally remove extra characters or something like that. So just be careful when you're making your updates so that you don't make a mistake. If you have a problem, just copy and paste and start over again. Okay, so that's all I needed to do, and I can save my calculated field, and then I'm going to go back to project dates, and then there is the month column that was added to my all items view. Okay, so now I'm ready to apply the template. You can know this works because you see a series of comma delimited values, and this is to set up the template to allow it to do what it needs to do. So you can see there's the month and day number as well as a year, and then there's a index that tells the template which is the first day of the month in terms of Sunday through Saturday, and then the total number of days of the month. So that's what the calculated field is doing for the template. Once you've done that, you'll never have to worry about applying that again. Now I'm ready to grab the template, so I can go back over to my SharePoint dashboard site, click Copy Template, and then you can go to your new calculated field and go to Column Settings, format this column, Advanced, select all, paste, and save. There's the calendar. It's clipped at the moment because I need to adjust the column width. And as you can see, it's showing the date and corresponding month for each of these values in my Start field. Now you can control all of the look and feel options. Many color options are available. You can see that the weekends are highlighted. We have a gray color for days that are empty. And then we have options for font and header and all kinds of different things. Most significantly, I would point out you do have the ability to make it a bit smaller if you wish. You can check the theme options. You can see, for example, in theme 2, we've got a much smaller box, and that may be more to your liking. So if you want to go for a smaller box, you can just come back and reapply your template, and you'll get that more condensed view. There you go, there's this smaller calendar box. And then you may or may not want to display the year in that header. If you don't want that on, just uncheck the show year, and then the box size, you can set that however you want. So if you want to be more specific about that, just adjust that and then copy, and you can come back over and just keep reapplying that template until you get the result that you're looking for. And you can see the year is gone. And at this point, if we wanted to, we can hide the start value from the view if we don't want to show that also. That's up to you. It'll work without that. But this just provides a nice reference point. It helps us see where particular dates are in regard to other dates with that month view perspective that we're all very accustomed to seeing. That's all there is to it. That's the month box template at SharePointDashboards.com. And this template is available as part of a subscription. If you do not yet have a sign up for SharePointDashboards.com, you can go to the site and get access to 20 free templates. There are, as of this video, a total of 149 different template options which you can browse in the SharePoint Dashboards gallery. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you're soon using this month box formatting template in your SharePoint site. Good luck.